So I wish I had the courage to join the Global Samud Flotilla. My greatest fear was being kidnapped and then wondering if anyone would fight to bring me home. My relationship with my family is strained, to say the least. Would they fight for me? I think about that so often. If I were sitting in an Israeli prison for defending human rights, I'd need to know that the world hadn't moved on and that the people were still saying my name. So I'm saying theirs. These are the peaceful Global Samud Flotilla organizers who stood with Palestine. Some have now been detained for more than 140 days and separated from their families. If you support this movement, don't abandon those who sacrificed their freedom for it. Say their names, share their stories, demand their release, free our Tunisian comrades, and free Palestine.